Crazy stuff going on, man. A fucking fire on the highway. It's crazy. You can't see it, but you're gonna see it right now. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Car blew up on the highway, man. But you know me, I'm that me. Holy fuck, why did I do that? Oh, fuck. That shit is terrible. That gives you a weird fucking high, like when it hits your lung and shit. Look at the traffic. I need to get that shit out of my lungs. I don't even smoke no more. I ain't trying to get high off toxic fuel. Fuck. Gotta get out the car. God damn. That shit's terrible. That was a stupid move, but I do it for you people. Put this to the news station, let them see I got the footage. CP24, holla at me, cut a check, or just put me on as your field reporter. It's crazy, man. Oh man, I gotta go. I can't be driving and taping. Have a nice day. This has been a crazy report by Mozzie Hefner. Damn.